Hi, what's going on, guys? I wanted to do a little unboxing and a review video of this thing. This is a Japanese made stainless steel lunchbox or bento box. So let's unbox this. So this was made by Aizawa Studio. I think that's how they would be called in English. Aizawa Studio. It's really light. There's a little band for extra security. I think it's a good size. Put the band on like that. This is my iPhone, I think the 12 Pro. It's about the size comparison. Feels really high quality. I put the rice in it and make curry or something. Yeah, it's cool. There's a little logo right here. And then just one thing about this bento box was so I ordered this back in January, around January 3rd. Like I ordered it a while ago, and this just got delivered yesterday, which is April 28th. So it took more than 3 months. I thought they were like making this like upon my order. Like I thought this was like order to make, and that's why I thought it was taking that long. But just looking at this box, I think they just sent the one in the inventory to me overseas. And I kind of wonder if it has anything to do with the President Trump. He's what he's been doing. I feel like America is I feel like America is a really cool country. I feel my life here will be a little bit more difficult. Like this took so long, 3 months, just to ship out. I wonder why. But finally it's here. It's got only got the little scratch here, but looks cool. So I'm gonna use this for quite often because I cook for lunch usually for my work. Whenever I go to work, I usually bring my lunch and use this. Very cool. Alright, if you guys are interested, you can go to the Amazon and just look up Aizawa stainless steel bento box or lunch box. And if you're cool with waiting for over 3 months, I think this is a good deal. It was a $4,000. I'm sorry, 4,000 yen. So about $40. Not cheap, but looks like high quality. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.